Hailing from the evergreen coastal wetlands of Mangalore, Arun, also known as GoPro Man, is one of the most organic bikers I have ever met in my life. By that, I mean that his passion to be on two wheels is derived from his utter need to explore the unexplored. It is an absolute honor to touch base again with a rider who is fueled purely by his need to ride. Welcome to Roadtripping with GoPro Man. In the previous episode of Roadtripping, we found out how even the most mundane travel plans turn into breathtaking adventures with the GoPro Man. Another aspect of the GoPro Man that we cannot wait to share is his eagerness to be on the move. Having done so many solo rides, Arun is really adept at asking the right questions and getting the best information from people. So as suggested, we headed off to look at Canton Waterfalls. Canton Waterfalls in the Wayanad region of Kerala is actually one of the most well-maintained tourist places around. But our GoPro Man, however, isn't really interested in popular places. He is a wandering soul, ghosting around for the truly remote and the truly unknown. So how do you think the place is, in its overall sense?
I mean, the place is good. It's waterfall is nice, but thing is that it's not really my cup of tea. Like the place is a bit too crowded.
Oh yeah, man. There is the crowd.
Waterfall is only look good, when it's actually in a kind of like a secluded area. So
Yeah.
let's go and find our own, waterfall.
What do you say? Seriously?
Seriously. Let's
Find
go.
our own waterfall.
Exactly.
This is why I love this guy, Let's go, man. Riding in Kerala's twisty roads is actually a guilty pleasure of mine. So while merrily tackling one of the curves, I suddenly realized that Arun isn't behind me anymore. So I turned around as fast as possible to track back. I do this quickly, not because I'm worried or anything, but because if I know him, he's most likely found a direct route into another adventure.
Well, as usual, our GoPro Man has, I think, seen a good road somewhere. So he just disappeared. So let's go back and find out what he's up to. So, GoPro Man, he suddenly takes a right turn from nowhere and disappears. So what's up, bro? Tell me what's happening.
So I actually there's all this tea plantation and it was looking nice.
Gorgeous, right?
And there's like beautiful hills over there. So I'm just thinking that I'm actually, once I stopped here, I just took out a map and actually checked. There is a road which goes somewhere and there's like a dead end. It shows a dead end, but it's a hilly area.
Okay.
So I'm guessing there will be something like a guard road and we might find something, and it looks very nice. So there might be a hope of waterfall as well.
Oh boy.
Try our luck. So it's just a hope again.
Oh, my faith is in your hope, man. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Come on.
This time, the GoPro Man had found a slim walking path going up to a waterfall that he really wanted to explore. But the monsoon rains soon brought the realization that we aren't allowed to go any further. An insane climb with slick wet clay made sure our tires lost any and all traction to make the journey ahead. So in this round, we had to accept defeat in the hands of Mother Nature and decided to move on along the twisty, intriguing roads of Kerala. Not long after, our navigator found another trail going off the main tarmac. and like mice behind the Pied Piper, we obediently followed. This trail, which was open at first, progressively got denser with every kilometer we rode ahead. Eventually, we were submerged in green foliage, with daylight barely even touching the ground. A jungle trail has its own way of slowing your tempo. The chill in the wind, a certain spark of dangerousness in the air. That immaculate moment where you realize that this is what life is about. Your blood pumping and your mind completely engrossed in the richness of the present. So we've come about 16 kilometers off the beaten track, following this guy, GoPro Man, and look what we find. A magnificent waterfalls right out of nowhere. This is what you get when you follow this guy.
This is the beauty of actually In Search of Unknown Lands. I mean, this actually came out of syllabus, right? We didn't even thought that actually it will come. This happens when we actually search for the unknown trails, and something beautiful always happens.
What a place, man. How do you even find these things? No idea.
Always happens that In Search of Unknown Lands, it never really, like, there are 20 or 30% of time you'll find some nice places.
Yeah.
Today is my lucky day. I mean, of course, you guys are recording it as well. I mean, I just got lucky.
Today's our lucky day. Thanks to you.
After being bathed in nature's essential goodness, we made our way back along this rocky path to the trailhead. This rare feeling of revisiting your soul is basically just a normal day in the travel life of the GoPro Man. Out here, where normalcy means getting rattled, knocked about, or bitten by leeches, yet getting to live and drink the entire barrel of life to the lees.
So, how did you like the ride?
Oh man, I don't know where you took us, but with the impulse, I must say it's one of the most enjoyable things going off-road.
I know that you're actually enjoying because you're almost flying there. I could only do like, I don't know, 20, 30 or something. You were flying. I mean, this bike is actually, yeah. So what next?
More rides, more exploration, and more rain.
More rain, exactly.
Yeah. We're rocking out here. For anyone who hasn't really explored in the rain, I mean, even if you have an inkling, guys, do it like this guy. Next time on Road Tripping, we introduce the gem behind the legend, the partner in crime, and an equally adventurous soulmate of the GoPro Man. Subscribe to the channel and press the notification button to know when the next episode is out. Thank you for watching.